Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into how to safely use skincare actives on melanin-rich skin. First things first, remember, less is more. Overexfoliation can turn your skin tight and waxy. Focus on your skincare goals, not just the percentage of active ingredients. Let's talk about salicylic acid or BHA. It's oil-soluble, penetrates pores, and helps clear pimples and fade dark spots. Plus, it's less irritating for sensitive skin. A great product to start with is the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. Next up, AHAs, which maintain your skin's ideal pH and improve product absorption. Try Skinfoliate for a gentle introduction. Now, for retinoids. They're fantastic for treating acne, uneven skin tone, and photo damage. Start low and slow with 0.025% or encapsulated retinol. A good pick is Medic 8 Crystal Retinol 1 Serum. Glycolic acid is another AHA that exfoliates, plumps, and brightens skin. But be cautious, it can cause irritation if overused. Exuviance Glycolic Perfecting Moisturizer is a great option. Niacinamide strengthens your skin barrier, improves hyperpigmentation, and adds a beautiful glow. Look for products with at least 5% concentration like brightening niacinamide 10%. Lastly, vitamin C. Traditional L-ascorbic acid can be irritating, so opt for next-gen vitamin C ingredients. The ordinary ascorbyl tetrazo palmitate solution. 20% in vitamin F is gentle and effective. Always remember, skincare is personal. Patch test new products and consult a dermatologist if you're unsure. Keep your routine simple and focus on your skin's needs. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more skincare tips. Stay glowing!